Today we are doing what's in my pencil box. So as you can see that this is my pencil box. It's a Manchester United hard shell pencil box, and I am using this from past 3 years, and it's a very good pencil box. Although it's a big box, and might some people might be thinking that why should we carry such big boxes to school. So the answer is that it is very handy because it contains a lot of stuff inside, and as you can see, some corners are white, but when it was brand new it was very good, but still it's a very good pencil case. So let's get started. So first I'll open up the pencil box. Hmm, okay, so it's a very big pencil box, and as you can see I have a lot of things. So first let's start from the right hand corner. So we have a mechanical pencil here. It's a Flair Zot mechanical pencil, and it's a very good retractable mechanical pencil. As you can see, it's a very nice mechanical pencil, and it has even a sharpener on its top here. So it's a very nice mechanical pencil. So let's keep this on the side. And now when we have a pencil, we also have a eraser. So I have this Dome's Groove mechanical eraser, and this is also a very nice eraser. It retracts very well, and I am using this from past 1 year, and it's a very nice eraser. We open this from here, and then see, 1 second, the lid comes out like this, and it comes with two refills. So this is my last one. So here we have to put this, and it goes inside, and then close the cap, and then again it starts working. You have to tap this for a few seconds for making it work, and see, now it started working. Okay, so now when our pencil and erasers are over, now let's move on to some pens. So in the category, we have three categories of pen today. One is ball, one is gel, and one is roller ball. So first we have the ball pen. So in my ball pen, my first pen is my Flair Woody, and it's the one of the best pens that I have right now, like in the category of ball. It's not focusing. So okay, you can see this. It's Flair Woody. Yeah, it's Flair Woody, and this is one of my best pens. It's a ball pen, and it works very smoothly. So stay tuned because I'll test all the pens in the end in a copy. So this is my first ball pen. Now let's move on to my second ball pen. So these are my second ball pen. These are the newly released Flair Move, and it's also a very nice pen because it comes in a very vibrant body color, and it has a nice tip on the top, and it works very smoothly. Like it's the one of the smoothest pens that I have bought till now. Okay, and it comes in many various colors, but I have bought these two colors, and the funny thing is that I have bought these pens today only. So these are newly released pens. Okay, so now let's move on to the next category of our pens. So one more thing, there I have a scale here. This is the Kemlin Supreme scale. It's a folding scale. So it goes to 30 centimeter, and then it becomes 15 centimeter also. So it is a handy scale. So we'll keep these pens here, and we'll close this compartment. So now let's move on to our next category, that is gel pen. So in gel pen, I only carry one gel pen, that is my mostly trusted Jotek Gel. Jotek Gel is a very nice pen. It works very smoothly in terms of writing and fast writing, everything. It is just the smoothest pen I've ever had. Just it, yeah, Jotek Gel. Okay, so it's a very nice retractable mechanism gel pen, and it's a very good gel pen. Okay, so now we are moving on to our next category, which is, we'll keep this also here, which is roller ball pens, which are my favorite pens. So first of all, our trusted Trimax, which which are the most trusted pens in the market right now. Right now, no, like it is there in the market from a very long time, but these are my most trusted pens. I write with these all the time. So I have a blue one and I have a black one. Okay, so and this is the funny fact that this is only the black pen that I have in my case. Okay, so we have these over here. We'll keep it. By the way, if we open this, it comes with a 0.7 mm tip, and but the thing is that you need to buy a refill when it is over. It can be like refilled with ink. It can be, but it's a very messy process, so I just recommend to buy a new refill. The pen costs 25 rupees, but I have got this in 20 because I am a regular customer at the store where I go. And by the way, I'll tell you all the costings right now of the pen which I have shown you. The Flair Woody, it costs 10 rupees. It's a very nice pen in 10 rupees. And the mechanical pencil Zort Flair, it costs 25 rupees. And then we have the eraser. This costs 25 rupees. Yeah, okay, so now we have the Jotek gel. Jotek gel cost 50 rupees. Its ball version costs 25 rupees. And then these two pens, Flare Move, these only cost 10 rupees. So I think it's a value for money. And this Dome Supreme scale, it also costs 25 rupees. I think 25 is a good number in stationery because many things cost 25 rupees. So now moving on to our next roller ball pen, my one of the most trusted, Uniball Eye. It's a very nice roller ball pen, the smoothest of all. Like, if you want a smooth roller ball pen, it's one of the best roller ball pens out there. And you can see Uniball Eye. It's a very smooth pen, and it comes with a very classy look also, gray and blue tone. Okay, so with this, our right hand side section is completed. Now we'll come to the left hand side section, which is my highlighter section. Okay, so it's upside down. I'm sorry because camera issues. So I am having here the Flair pastel highlighters, and these are also, I just love pastel highlighters because they are light in color, and like they highlight very easily, and the text there is very clear. So I have a whole bunch of them. I have, first one is steel blue, second one is pink, third one is pista green, fourth one is lavender, fifth one is lightish orange. Okay, so these are my highlighters which I love because, who doesn't love pastel highlighters? Like, they are one of the best highlighters in my opinion. Might be some people liking the normal highlighters, but I like pastel highlighters more. So now, here in the first compartment, I am having just one thing, which is my Flair Zort, this Flair Zort mechanical pencils refill. It's an extra long refill, and it comes with the pack only. Okay, so with this we have completed our pencil box tour. Okay, so if you want more content like this, I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.